Hello class, welcome to History 206. My name is Corinne O'Connor. I'll be your instructor for the next 5 weeks. Ashford has given you a lot of great material on the historical content for this class, so I thought I would focus on some easy ways to earn more credit on your assignments for week 1. So if we go ahead and look at our introduction assignment, it is a little different than most classes. You're going to start with the normal information that you would include in your introduction, but you're also going to choose a piece of media that you think represents part of our history. It could be a movie such as Forrest Gump, which has so much to choose from. It could be a piece of music such as maybe Billy Joel, We Didn't Start the Fire. It could be a painting from the Harlem Renaissance or a picture, anything that you feel really shows American history. Also, go ahead and make sure that you include which group that you're leaning towards for your final project here. And you need to put at least 3 responses in. 3, which is different than a normal discussion. On to discussion 1. You will notice that there are some required readings here. You have chapters 1, 2, and 3 of your textbook, as well as an article on Irish stereotype. As you're writing your discussion 1, you want to make sure that you include information from both the textbook and the article and cite those within your discussion post. And you'll find that the questions to answer are going to be here. In discussion 2, this really gives you a chance to reflect on the week. It's called an open forum, and basically you just need to write 100 words, and you're going to reflect on things like what you've learned, what questions you might have, things that you're struggling with, and that could be content because some of this content is triggering or upsetting to people. And then any helpful hints that you might have for classmates. Now, if you have a question about one of the assignments, you can post it in here to see if some of your classmates can give you some help. I will come in at some times and answer those questions, but really if you have a specific question, go ahead and post that in the Ask Your Instructor forum or email me directly. Finally, for week 1, we have a quiz, and it is on skill activities. So week 1, you're actually going to focus on plagiarism and APA, and all the links are going there. It's a fairly easy quiz. You have 20 questions to do that. And the thing about any quizzes for the class is those are really open for the entire run of the class. So if you don't make it to it this week, even though a 0 will be there, you'll be allowed to go back in and take that at any point in time. So I wish you well and have a great week.